When I think about our experience here in the Godrej compound, I can't help but think of one word, and that's partnership. We moved in here almost just over 8 years ago, and since then Godrej and their team and the facilities have just been a tremendous partner of ours as we continue to grow.
We see value in the relationship that we have with Godrej, and whenever we are looking at expanding, I think the first people we reach out to when we want additional space is Godrej.
I think Godrej team is fantastic. Everybody is so approachable. I think a lot of time it's not only we who have to connect with them, they themselves proactively connect with us.
I like the location the best. The central location itself is an amenity, I would say. There has never been a disruption to my operations. Any employee can reach here by train, by metro, by car, so it's easier.
Before moving in here, we did a fairly detailed exercise to look at where our employees stay and how much time it would take them to come to office. And as it happened for the collection of employees that we have, this was a convenient location.
When you come to Godrej, you only see a big campus with a lot of gardens, a lot of lush green, a lot of trees. It is very rare to find in the cities like Bombay nowadays.
If you go down in the afternoon, you'll see a lot of people, taking a walk in the campus, after their meal. So it's a good environment, it's a comfortable environment. People feel at ease when they're working here.
We have visitors coming in from all over the world, and when they come in, we try to get them up to the terrace. And everybody is absolutely fascinated by the green space that we have up on the terrace and the ability of companies that are with Godrej in their community to use that facility.
We have the privilege of being able to, on occasion, use some of Godrej's facilities for hosting our open-air dinners for our board, which they love.
So we have a multi-generational workforce. I think this is a campus to kind of reckon with, if I can say so, in this area. So it kind of gives a good employee value proposition for them to be associated with us in this campus as well. Then there are other activities that happens in the campus which kind of also helps our own employees. Say during Diwali, okay, there is an event that's happening. So they can just go and it's not just only within the company, just within the 300 odd people they are enjoying, but it is also beyond that.
The other brands that are here today, I would say are brands of equal size and stature like NCR. So it definitely helps a lot for our own brand building and we find like-minded organizations that are here. So therefore, we are happy to be in this campus.
I think it's nice to have people from different walks of life and different industries. I think it gives a lot of freedom for us to connect and speak to them.
So we operate pretty much on a 24/7, 365 basis. Yeah. And with Godrej, the security is round the clock, and we have never had any incidents where our employees had an issue.
We do find the safety and security measures quite adequate. That does provide peace of mind.
The security in this premise is excellent, and we have good access control systems in place. We do pretty regularly, the fire drills and stuff. So preparedness wise, I think we're pretty much prepared, and I think from that perspective, we feel pretty secure and safe in this campus.
The security wise and safety wise, yes, ensures a lot of peace of mind. We don't really have to bother much. We know we are well taken care of.
We can count on Godrej. The operational team as well as the management team, they're always listening. And if there is any support that we need to make our operations smooth, they are there to make it happen for us.
The experience till now has been very good. We have been continuously expanding. And the reason why we've been expanding is obviously we enjoy being here and the experience has been good.
For any company that's looking for a future ready place, I think Godrej Business District is the place to be in. Wonderful team and great place.
The strength of partnership and the collaboration to ensure mutual success has just been absolutely fantastic.